I'm assuming you guys are familiar with Twitter. You get 140 characters to say whatever you want, but just to go past the basics and start using Twitter to build up your business, first thing I would do is add your business profile to your personal Twitter page. And the way to do that would just be to say what you do for the company. So I'm a social media marketing manager for @ and then your company. The @ company is important because it's clickable, meaning that if somebody finds you on your personal page, they can easily click through to your business page, and it's going to give you more visits to your site.
In addition to the @ with your company after it, you also want to add a number of different hashtags that represent your brand or whatever your niche is to your bio page. It could be right underneath your photo or within your description. And this is going to help people find you who are doing searches using Twitter's advanced search page when they look for certain hashtags. So your profile will have the potential to come up in those searches and they can find you and your business.
Once you get going, though, with a business profile, be sure to include your Twitter handle on your website, in your marketing materials, so that you can build up your following even more. And be sure to add a call to action in your bio as well that takes the reader to your blog, for instance, or maybe a recent article you wrote. To reach the maximum number of people on Twitter, you're going to have to build up your network, meaning get followers. And if you're a little bit new to that, the easiest way is to first start with the people you know, the friends that you think might be interested in. But the second is just to follow other people within your category first, and then hopefully they reciprocate, which is fairly common on Twitter. So do an advanced search, look for people who have the same interests as your niche or your business, and follow them. Once you've done that and you've built up a decent base, you can also add more followers by using a program called TweetAdder. And TweetAdder it's a paid program, but it does have a free trial. Allows you to find people within your category a little bit easier and build up your following some more. Two other great ways of finding influential people within your niche, and basically the people that follow them, who you would like to have follow you or that you would like to reach out to because they have the same type of interests, are follower wonk, which is the word follower, WONK.com. And this is a great site. All you do is type in a keyword related to your niche, and it's going to bring up a list of all the people on Twitter who have put that keyword in their profile that have the most followers. So it's going to find your influencers very easily. The second website I like to use is Twitonomy, TWITONOMY.com, and this is completely free, just like follower wonk. All you have to do is type in the Twitter handle of somebody who is influential in your category, and it's going to bring up a ton of data on them. As you can see in the screenshot, this is not even half the data that it shows. I can't even fit it on the thing. I can't even fit it. And it's going to show you the followers, the people they're following, people that you want to reach out to. It's going to show you the most used hashtags, the users that they mention the most, the users that they reply to the most, the lists they're following, the things they retweet the most, their favorites. It's a huge, huge, huge treasure trove of data. So Twitonomy.com and follower wonk.